Today, our nation is facing different challenges, both economic, political, and security-wise as well. But there is something that is missing in all these problems. That is a vibrant, a responsible, and a responsive opposition. Today, we have a political party, PDP, that is supposed to lead the opposition. But what do you have? Political charlatans hijacking the heartbeat of our opposition party and turning it into an errand platform for the ruling party. Some of you called me yesterday when the meeting the governors had in Jos and said it's all over for PDP. But it's very shameful that a party that was founded in 1998 by the great effort of our founding fathers, the likes of Elese Kweme, Jerry Gana, Adamu Chioma, Bamanga Tuko, Gamede, Iyocho Ayu, Atiku Abubakar, Obasanjo, Solomon La, and almost over 100 retired generals came together and ended 16 years of military rule. That political party is what these guys are playing akara with. The almighty PDP is what an impostor called Omar Damagu and Samuel Anyanwu Sandadi is now messing up with and forgetting the sacred expectation of Nigerian people, all of you, from a vibrant opposition. Today I want to inform the whole Nigeria that they have perfected a plan to ensure that the next meeting to choose an acting chairman from North Central, where the position originally is supposed to come from, is not possible. They want Omar Damagu, an impostor of the highest order, to continue to parade as your national chairman and stay in office in 2027 so that they can foist on us a weakling as a presidential candidate that will lead the party to total defeat. You remember when Ayu left as far back as March 2023. This is getting to 1 year, 8 months, right? Ordinary NEC meeting that is constitutional, enshrined under Article 47, PDP could not have. Because you have traitors among us who have no honor and decency. Maybe because of plot of land, or fear of EFCC, or whatever, they have decided to sell your own political party. Even when Aswaju was in opposition, he stood as man alone, even with AC. He never joined the ruling party. From AC to ACN and to APC. He will be laughing at them now that they are running around, killing themselves to sabotage their own party for his own good. He will know that they are political children that doesn't have the capacity. They go to Jos at a trying moment of this nature and trivialize an important issue. Since 1 year, 8 months, first, they said there was Salah holiday, right? You remember? They shifted. Now they said there was big Salah, NEC cannot hold. They shifted. Then they said Christians were going for Easter. They shifted. They said Christmas have come. They shifted. Then they said again that, Iyocho you have not withdrawn his case from court. They shifted. But Ayu withdrew the case. But they still did not have the next meeting to choose a replacement. They fixed another date and put it on a public holidays. It was shifted. Then again, they claimed that they need them to remain in office to do a election. They shifted again. They still sabotage that Edo election. Then the next, okay, they have fixed it finally. They came back again. They said, there's an election in Ondo. You cannot remove Damaguna. It will make the party to lose. Party still lost. They shifted the next meeting to choose a acting chairman. Now they fixed the meeting that was supposed to hold yesterday, day before yesterday. They shifted again, saying that the wife of the governor of Akwa Ibom, Udo Mande, died. With all due respect, if you shift because of the burial, what happened to end of this month if you are serious? Don't think, and I strongly believe that Governor Fubara will never recognize those people as lawmakers because they have lost their seats. To tell you they know what they are doing and they know the truth. Their agent, Adamagu, who is now suddenly trying to sit out as chairman of one of Africa's biggest political parties, even when he has zero capacity to lead the party, has led us to defeat in Edo, in Ondo, in different parts of the country. All elections we have held under him, we have lost. But Adamagu wrote this letter to INEC. Before, maybe, I don't want to accuse him of anything, maybe a plot of land must have changed his views now. Because look at the letter he wrote before. And I'll read it for you. He wrote to INEC chairman, demand for immediate conduct of fresh election in 27 state constituency of Rivers State. That's Adamagu writing. That the leadership of PDP wishes to draw the attention of INEC to the gross violation of Section 109(1)G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria by 27 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly following their unlawful defection from our party, the PDP, who sponsored their election to APC. However, on Monday, 11 December 2023, a period of just 6 months after inauguration, 27 of the 32 members publicly announced their defection from our party to APC. This defection, this is what Adamagu wrote. Before, like I said, I don't know what changed his mind, whether it's a plot of land or anything. I don't know what changed his mind that is making him to dance naked in the market square. This defection is a gross violation of Section 109(1)G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. The only two grounds of division and merger provided for in the Constitution that permit defection is completely non-existent. It therefore means that the defection of the 27 members are without lawful excuse, and these members have vacated their seats in the Rivers State House of Assembly by the operation of Section 109(1)G of the 1999 Constitution. In view of the foregoing, I, Adamagu, on behalf of PDP, demand that INEC performs its constitutional duties and begin the process of conducting a fresh election to fill the vacancy created in 27 state constituency by the unlawful act of the assembly members. Find attached the list of the 27 assembly members and their constituencies. Signed, His Excellency Ambassador Omar Damagu, Acting National Chairman. This is when his sense was still working. This is what he wrote. After a visit in the night, he is the one that is now saying those people never left. Look at the shame of those who want to lead us. This is the people that governors went to just and gave vote of confidence. So vote of confidence to this kind of nonsense, to this kind of madness, that your own party should be buried and your own governor impeached because you are working for APC. All hope is not yet lost, my people. Opposition leaders are meeting at different corners. The agenda is very simple. That in the midst of all these commotions, that we should have the courage to come together, pick our pieces, and forge a strong front. We will put them where they belong. In Igbo they say, Kimanke Imankozo. Kimanka Imankozo. We understand there's no other thing they can do in their life except this political chukuchuku. Nothing. So they are gotten to a point where there's nothing they are known for except this sabotage. This is who they are born to be. But we're going to leave them behind. There is hunger in the land. There is insecurity in the land. There's so much uncertainty across every part of Nigeria. That Damagu wants to sabotage PDP because he's working with Wike and some governors are following him like mumu. Is that what Nigerians should be discussing? Is that the right conversation we should be having? If you go to America, go to Ghana, is that the kind of conversation they have? NDC lost the election in Ghana. They were strong and united. Today, Mahama is at the verge of winning the election by December. Republicans lost, but did you see them jumping up and down? Today, Trump has won again. Why are our leaders behaving like this? Is it plot of land? What is it? Are we the only party to have lost the election? Is this what we're going to teach our children? Is this the way Azikiwe and Awolowo and Balewa did it? So we must unite. The fight ahead is going to be very decisive, but victory is at the end of the tunnel. PDP or no PDP, the opposition will unite. And we will leave the mayor behind. Let me beg our nation's judiciary. It used to be, they used to say it in hush-hush too. But now people are saying it publicly on social media, online, of what is going on cases that has to do with pro-Wike's interests. Perception is key to confidence in judiciary. Perception. And the fact that not only judgment, but the belief by people that justice has been done. There will be no justice in saying that the government is pre-election matter because somebody wants to help the Wike group. There will be no justice in seizing the statutory constitutional revenue of a federating unit just to please the Wike group. I don't think we should go that path so that we don't lose total confidence in our nation's judiciary. There's elegant, beautiful, hardworking, and committed justices. And it is the duty of the CJN and NJC to step in. If somebody is building houses or whatever, it's not with his money. But let them stop keeping the body language, I'm doing this so that I can control you or win all my cases. Let the right thing be done. They have granted almost over 15 experts just to pin our party down. They go to court, they sue themselves, they get expert application, they get injunction. Even when the constitution said meeting should be called to appoint an acting officer, there's a court judgment that said somebody, deputy chairman, can now rule the party forever. Didn't the judge see section 47? As opposition, we owe you people the duty to tell you that the public is fast losing interest. Let us not, because of one man's desperation to seize the resources of a state, attempt to pocket a state that is not his own, then we're going to change our constitutional laws. We're going to destroy political parties and opposition parties. Today they will obtain injunctions in different corners against Labour Party. From Labour Party to NMPP, from NMPP to PDP. Are we going to run our party politics with the courts? This nation came about as a result of the resoluteness and commitment of our founding fathers. From Azikiwe to Awolowo to Balewa, to all of them. What we're doing is below, and we need to stop when there is still time. And on that note, I want to tell every member of the party in different parts of the country, remain strong and steadfast, start mobilizing, start speaking up. These political boo-boo yaya men cannot hold us to ransom forever. And as long as we are concerned, the 27 lawmakers have lost their seats. Any attempt peace was safer. It will be an invitation to anarchy. It will be desecration of institutions to now say they are lawmakers so they can make an attempt to impeach a PDP governor. Let it be known. Not only that they will not impeach Fubara, Fubara will contest and win in 2027.
Not true, not true, not true, not true, not true, not true. You can't get not true. You talk not true, not true, not true, not true, not true.
Let me end by saying categorically clear, the opposition will unite and already uniting, and we will come together with the sacred task of providing direction and hope to our people. The noise you hear today from those who have no conscience and those who have been bought with a plot of land will not swallow us. From this very spot, the message has gone around the whole country that all hopes have not been lost. And I will also saying clearly that PDP on PDP, the opposition leaders are now willing to make great sacrifice, because these men that have learned their politics from Mobutu Sese Seko, Nkurunziza of Burundi, and Paul Biya of Cameroon have challenged us. Their abracadabra have challenged us, and we must lead the people to this political battle. What they will see and the method that will be used is not what they have seen before. And like I said before in Igbo, Kimanka, Iman Kozo. And we continue to stand in solidarity with our brothers in rivers, where they are desperately looking for their lost feeding bottle, so that they can take the resources of the people to use it to be flying all over Nigeria, creating crisis from Gombe, Boronu, in the name of destroying opposition. Opposition that did not do them anything. Because like fish out of water, they can't stay without government access to government resources. So brothers and sisters, leaders of this party, it is time to rise up.
Save Nigeria, judiciary, save Nigeria, save Nigeria. Save Nigeria, judiciary, Save Nigeria, save Nigeria. I say, save Nigeria, save Nigeria. Judiciary, save Nigeria, save Nigeria.
My brother, the Secretary General of the CUPP, Peter Ame, who came all the way from Abuja to convey a special message of solidarity from our leaders on the way forward. And my brother Kabiru Yusuf, the president of the Arewa Youth, we have talked the whole of this morning, and I've given them my commitment that I will be incorruptible. I will be fearless. I will not shake. It is on this same ground, in this my compound, that they sent the assassins from Owerri that beheaded my uncles and killed our people. But I survived. Despite that, do I look like I'm scared? So you can keep on cooking things to frame me with. But my voice will be loud, and they will continue to run under the bed when I speak. I thank you all for coming, and I ask God Almighty to touch the hearts of some of our people who are in bed with those who want to sell the opposition. I will plead with Governor Seyi Makinde of Oyo State. Retrace your step. Retrace your step. I will plead with my friend, Governor Caleb of Plateau, and Governor of Pintiri. It is time you stop. There is no gain where you are going to, so that children do not learn bad things. Come back home and let all of us rebuild there together. But in the event they refuse, like I said, we will rise again. Thank you all, and God bless.
Carry us to go. You can't carry us to go.